In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you have a black bar on the right side of your Internet Explorer window. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Internet Explorer web browser, and then you want to direct your attention up to the top right, and you want to left click on the gear icon, where if you hover over it, it should say Tools. Left click on that, and then you want to go ahead and left click on Internet Options near the bottom of the drop down list. Now you want to left click on the Advanced tab, and underneath Accelerated Graphics near the top of this page, you want to check mark where it says Use Software Rendering instead of GPU Rendering, and then left click on Apply and OK. Once you're done with that, restart your web browser, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.